Welcome everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Clarity for Sure. Hope you guys are doing well. Today's session is about ADA examination 2025. So in this session we'll cover a very important topic from the ADA examination point of view, that is mission insurance for all by 2047, right? So this was also the question which was asked in the previous ADA examination, that is what is mission insurance for all by 2047, discuss its objectives, pillars as well as intervention. These are the three components of this particular question, and this also means that this topic becomes very important in the future examination. Also this question might be asked in some different way, right? So we'll cover this topic in a very detailed manner, right? So first of all you need to understand what is mission insurance for all by 2047. This is a mission which was launched by ADAI in the year 2023 to 2024 to promote the financial literacy in terms of insurance. That means providing insurance to each and every citizens as well as enterprise in the country, right? So the vision of this mission was, vision timeline was by 2047, and it was aligned with India at 100, that is 100 years of independence for India, right? Let's see what are the objectives, of this particular mission, right? As you know, insurance means कि someone is insuring you that he will pay on the behalf of the damage of your life, health and property, right? This is the basic concept of insurance. So objective of this mission is that it ensures every citizen has appropriate life, health and property insurance coverage, right? So it basically means providing the insurance to every citizens, right? The second objective of this mission is every enterprise is protected with suitable insurance. It do not only includes citizen, it also includes every enterprises as well, right? The third objective of this mission is the insurance sector become robust, customer centric, right? Customer centric and inclusive for all. These are the three objectives of this particular mission. Clear? Coming to the pillars, right? Pillars or components of this mission. What are the components of this mission, right? There are total 7 pillars you can see here. Starting with the first pillar, that is access, universal access, right? This is a very important, that is core pillar of this mission, universal access. It ensures 100% insurance coverage for all by the year 2047, right? Universal access or universal coverage. Coming to the second part, that is simplified product, simplifying the insurance, right? Promoting easy to understand for the customer, bundled and low cost products, for example like Bima Vistar, right? The third one is tech driven inclusion using the platforms like Bima Sugam, right? Bima Sugam itself means easing the insurance, right? So it is basically a platform where every stakeholders is present. You can compare the insurance of the various stakeholders and buy according to your needs, right? The fourth one is local distribution models. For example, Bima Wahaks. Wahak means one who carries. Bima means insurance, right? So one who carries insurance. Building rural reach through Bima Wahaks and women-led insurance agents. Bima Wahaks are generally women, right? So this is also a great example of women empowerment through in the insurance sector. Clear? Next is our state insurance plans. That is custom insurance strategy for each and every state. Like जैसे असम, राइट? असम और गुजरात, तो दोनों के अलग अलग रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, राइट? क्योंकि वहाँ की जो ज्योग्राफी है और वहाँ की जो कल्चर है वो कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट है. तो कस्टमाइजिंग इंश्योरेंस स्ट्रेटेजी फॉर ईच स्टेट सो दैट इट कुड बी इंक्लूसिव फॉर ऑल, राइट? डेवलप्ड जॉइंटली विथ स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स. Finally, the sixth pillar, that is financial literacy and awareness. Financial literacy do not only includes accessing the banking service for all, but it also includes including the insurance for all, right? So whenever it comes to financial inclusion की जब भी बात होगी तो वहाँ पे एक की पिलर है, दैट इज फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी, राइट? और फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी का जो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पिलर है, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पिलर है, पहला तो वो हो गया कि बैंकिंग सर्विसेज को एक्सेस करना, राइट? एंड द सेकेंड वन इज इंश्योरेंस कवरेज, राइट? इंश्योरेंस को इंक्लूसिव बनाना, राइट? पैन इंडिया कैंपेन्स for insurance education, especially in the tier 2 to 3 cities and rural areas. The seventh one is grievance redressal mechanism. Whenever there is an conflict in the terms of claim settlement, right, there is always a grievance redressal mechanism to strengthen policy holder protection, fast claim resolution as well as dispute management. Strategic initiative under the mission, right? What are the initiative that has been taken under this particular mission? Starting with the Bima Sugam. Bima Sugam is a platform, digital public infrastructure, that is DPI model for buying, servicing as well as claiming insurance, right? The second one is Bima Vahak, last mile women led distribution in rural India, right? Bima Vahak, which means the one who carries the insurance in the marginalized sections, rural areas, right? This is also a great example of women empowerment in the insurance sector. The third one is Bima Vistar. It composite bundled product to cover life, health as well as personal accident and property, right? This is also an initiative by EDI, and these three jointly known as Bima Trinity, right? Bima Trinity. These are the three components of Bima Trinity, right? Coming to the regulatory sandbox 2.0, foster innovation and insurer tech solutions, right? Tech related, ease of doing business, to promote the ease of doing business, to promote the players to come in this field so that it reduce regulatory hurdles and so that premium जो है लोगों के लिए वो कम हो सके, क्योंकि ज़्यादा अगर मार्केट में प्लेयर्स आएंगे तो ऑब्वियसली कंपटीशन बढ़ेगी, कंपटीशन बढ़ेगी तो उसका फायदा जो होगा कस्टमर्स को होगा, राइट? कस्टमर्स को होगा, क्यों होगा? क्योंकि प्रीमियम्स घट जाएंगे। डिजिटल पॉलिसीज, ऑल इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज जो भी है, जितने भी पॉलिसीज है उसका पॉलिसीज का परचेज से लेके सारा क्लेम सेटलमेंट तक सारा डिजिटल मीडियम से होना चाहिए, राइट? ऑल इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी टू बी इशूड एंड सर्विस digitally. Now Bima Trinity, as I told, these are the three components of Bima Trinity, that is Bima Vahak, Bima Sugam and Bima Vistar as well. So Bima Vahak is women centric workforce operating at a very grassroots level, that is Gram Sabha level, by empowering women and enhancing financial security in the rural areas. Clear? Next is our Bima Sugam, that is, it is a unified platform, right? DPI model that combines all the stakeholders. It simplifies the entire value chain from the policy purchasing to the claim settlement, right? Next is Bima Vistar. It bundled policy that covers life, health, property and accidents, and it provides defined benefits for each and every category individually, right? And these three jointly known as Bima Trinity, and this mission is to promote the financial literacy in terms of insurance in the country, right? Finally, these are the targets that has been set by EDI, right? Area of insurance, life insurance penetration 4.2% 2024 status, right? And what is the target by 2047? 100%, obviously 100%. Health insurance penetration जो कि अभी 37% population तक पहुंच पाई है, उसको भी 100% करना है. प्रॉपर्टी इंश्योरेंस, दैट इज होम, क्रॉप, राइट? तो इन सब की इंश्योरेंस जो है उसका अभी जो स्टेटस 2024 के ये में लेस दैन 10%, एंड द टारगेट इज यूनिवर्सल रिस्क कवरेज. Claim turnaround time, it varies to each area, right? It varies to area. Standardized and take base claims within days, मतलब जो क्लेम सेटलमेंट है उसे भी फास्ट किया जाए, जो कि अभी वैरी करती है। जैसे लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में तो वो क्लेम सेटलमेंट को कुछ और दिन लग जाते हैं, हेल्थ में कुछ कम दिन लग जाते हैं, इस तरह से वैरी करती है फ्रॉम द एरिया टू एरिया, राइट? तो उसे भी कम करने की जो है वो टारगेट है। कस्टमर अवेयरनेस, टू प्रमोट द कस्टमर अवेयरनेस लो इन रूरल एंड लो इनकम एरिया, जो कि अभी रूरल एरियाज में काफ़ी कम है, और जो कम इनकम वाले जो क्षेत्र है, जो कम इनकम वाले लोग हैं उनमें काफ़ी कम है, उसे भी बढ़ावा देने की बात की जाती है अकॉर्डिंग टू द टारगेट सेट बाय एडाई, यूनिवर्सल इंश्योरेंस लिटरेसी, राइट? So that's it for the session. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe our YouTube channel, follow us on Telegram and Instagram as well for daily updates. Thank you so much.